Okay guys, I'm going to start with spraying water all over my hair and sectioning my hair into little parts and work with that. Before getting into the co-washing process, I'm just going to apply coconut oil to my hair to give it that moist and sleep that the hair needs to start with. So I'm just going to do this all over my hair and clip it all up. After applying the coconut oil and securing my hair perfectly, then I'm just going to let this sit for 2 minutes and head straight to the bathroom and just rinse it off. No shampoo, no conditioner, just wet my hair, rinse it off. Then I secure my hair by clipping it, and now I'm going to apply my As I Am coconut co-wash. The consistency of the As I Am coconut co-wash is kind of runny, so I'm just going to be careful the way I apply it. I'm just going to go about it the same way I started first. I'm going to section my hair into little parts and just work with it. If you work with bigger parts, you just get your twist wouldn't be very defined, but I'm just going to do mine. You can see how bouncy my hair looks. It looks really juicy and bouncy. That is the wonderful effect of the As I Am coconut co-wash and how it makes your hair look beautiful. So I'm just going to continue doing this throughout my hair, and at every point in time I'm going to comb my hair. I'm not finger combing at this point because I want to get a very wonderful result, no excuse. So now I'm moving to the second section. I'm going to do the same thing I did to the first one to it, and all through my hair. I try as much as possible to apply a generous amount of the As I Am coconut co-wash to my hair so as to achieve that look I'm trying to get. If my hair seems to be dry at any point, I just spray in some water and work on the tips of the hair and continue massaging my hair to get that best result that I'm looking forward to. You can part your hair into little sections, but I'm currently parting mine into a big section because I am avoiding the video from being long. But I'd advise you section your hair into little sections to enable you achieve that look you're trying to achieve. And also, I try as much as possible to wash my scalp in the course of working the As I Am coconut co-wash into my hair, because it makes your hair clean and you don't even need to use a shampoo. You would achieve a wonderful looking clean scalp. So you should try as much as possible to massage or clean your scalp while using the As I Am coconut co-wash. After I'm done applying the coconut co-wash, I'm just going to cover my hair with a plastic bag to seal in the moisture, then cover my hair with a hair net or a shower cap. Hi guys, I'm back. I just got out of the shower and my hair feels soft. I have never experienced this before. This is actually my first time of using the As I Am co-wash conditioner, and I am finding it very, very helpful because my hair is always very coarse and strong, and I can't believe my hair is this soft. And it's so good. It cleaned my hair. I don't know if you can see this. It's so clean, no product residue, and I feel good. So now I'm just gonna clean my hair with my towel. Oh man, it feels so soft. Is this my hair? Oh my goodness. This is not my hair. Can you feel it? 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 So I'm just going to show you the rest of the product I'm going to apply to my hair. And you know me, if you know me very well, if you watch my videos, you would know me for natural things, like things I make myself actually. This is coconut oil, so I made this myself. I have a video on how to make it. I always say this, I'm even tired of saying it. Check my past video or check somewhere here, I don't know, you'd see the link. So I'm just going to apply this coconut oil to my hair. Okay, now that I'm done with that, I'm going to be adding shea butter. The essence of doing all this is to lock the current moisture in my hair, is to lock it in. So I just used coconut oil. Now I'm going to be using shea butter. This is how shea butter is sold in Nigeria. It's not in any fancy container or something. It's inside. You buy it, you see it all raw, and they put it in this nylon, this plastic bag. This is shea butter. So I'm just gonna lock this moisture in by adding Okay guys, like I told you earlier, I intend to make my hair, so I'm not gonna be styling or doing any wash and go on this hair. So this is how to co-wash your hair. This is how I co-wash my hair. So there are so many methods out there, so you can just adopt anyone that feels easier to you, but this is what I have, this is what I use. So hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please click the red button below that says subscribe. Please join this family of mine. I'll be really glad if you could do that for me, because I'm trying to achieve 1,000 subscriber base. So I can't do it without you, my subscriber. I love you, my subscribers. You are my friends, so you are the ones I can talk to, the ones I can show what I know how to do too. So hope you enjoyed this video. I enjoyed making it. So if you enjoyed it, click the subscribe button below and notification icon afterwards, and also click the like button if you found it helpful. I'd really appreciate it. So I want to introduce a reward scheme to this channel where I reward my subscribers who make comments at the comment section, who share my videos, and hopefully that goes out well. So if you found this video helpful, please share to those who would like it and who wants it. Also look out for my next video, because I am going to be revealing some secrets to y'all. So see you next time. Bye. Peace, 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 peace.
I like woman, I dey straightforward.